Hi friends, I am here with another money making application. This application called ZAP Surveys. With this application, you can make $25 again and again by doing surveys. If you want to check this application, I will give the link in the description so that you can check this application from the description. So let's get into the video. Here you can use your Facebook account or your email account to log into this application. If you want to create an account with your email address, you have to provide your first name and your last name, your email address and your password. Enter your password again to confirm it. Then click on continue option. Here you have to enter a referral code. If you use my referral code given in the description, you will get 75 cents instantly added to your account. After you create an account in this application, you will get a $6.25 survey. It takes only 10 minutes to complete this survey. This survey is all about your information, hobbies and your status to provide more surveys which are suitable to your profile. So answer this survey fairly to get more surveys in the future. Here I am using my Facebook account to log in into this application. This is the interface of this application. This application has popular tab research surveys, peanut labs as well as pollfish and location rewards. If we see tab research surveys, right now I have 70 cents surveys to complete. I am taking this survey. Let's see what happened. Yeah, it is asking my information about my location. I think I am not a good match for the survey. That's okay guys. You will also get reward for taking a survey. If you see this, I got 3 cents for taking that survey. Like that, you will get reward for every survey you take, even though you did not complete the survey. If you are from US, Canada, like those countries, you will get tons of surveys and more probability on completing those surveys when compared to the other countries. If we come to location rewards, whenever you are in these stores, you will get a notification. For swiping that notification, you will get 25 cents. I think people from US, UK, Canada like those countries can use this section to make some extra income rather than completing surveys. You know guys, I hate to take surveys because surveys really sucks. But in this application, you can do more than just doing surveys. The main reason I am suggesting this application is because of this. If you see this, you will get $10 for 500 ZAP power. Believe me guys, it's so easy to make 500 ZAP power. All you have to do is complete this goal. As many times as you complete your goal, you will get that much of ZAP power. Every time you complete your goal, your ZAP power will increase simultaneously and you will also get few cents for completing your goal. This application has daily check-in option and a challenge. If you log in for 45 days daily, you will get 75 cents as reward and also get few cents for daily check-in. There is a chance to win $10 every month. For that, you have to claim this ticket. If you share this application with your social media accounts, you will get $1. Here, you can see my referral code. If anyone uses your referral code, you will get 15 cents and your referral get 75 cents for using your referral code. Next we see how to cash out from this application. Here you can see $25 is the minimum withdrawal limit of this application. Once you reach $25, you can cash out your earnings through PayPal or Amazon gift card. That's it. That's how to make money from this application. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, please comment below. If you like this video, please subscribe us, like us and share us. Thanks for watching.